Okay, great. Once again, I have to apologize about my voice. It's still a little funky. Now, I did start recording a video, and then all of a sudden, boom, the memory card was filled up. So here we go. Master lock number... Hold on. There we go. Master lock number 5. And I think I'm going to use one of these fuckers. And hey, I know all you guys are probably thinking, oh, there's better tension wrenches out there. Yeah, I got that. I understand. I understand that there's great tension wrenches out there. But I done messed up, okay? I went on to Amazon.com and I got a $24 pick set. Okay? That comes with the plastic lock because, I watch Chris Ramsey. He's a magician. And that's what he got. So that's what I got too. And he does puzzles. And in all honesty, these locks seem to be a lot more puzzly than actual real puzzles. I could do puzzles all day, every day. Okay? But these locks here, I seem to have an issue with. Right now, okay, I'm at the last number right here. Here we go. I think this is what you call 4. Let me put as much tension as I can up on this motherfucker. They all still move. I just had 2 drop. But I really think it's not 4 right here. I think it's 3. I think we get 3. And then we get 1. I really think that's how we unlock this. So tough and so true, man. So tough and so true. Here we go. Listen. Oh, I didn't feel much drop there, but I'm fucking around. I think with the here's the very as far as I can go. But we all know that's nothing in there. All right. So here we go. Here's number 4. Number 3, I felt a little click. Number 2, I felt click. 1, I think I just pushed it way too far. It's all the way up. But right now, I don't feel anything. I just feel the very top. I don't feel any pins. Well, never mind. I feel this pin right here. I mean, so that's where I'm having the trouble with this. Is like I seem to be pushing them too far where I'm oversetting them. But maybe that's where everyone's saying you don't really get any feedback when you single pin pick these. But I come here, right? And I don't know if this is a city rake or what kind of rake this is. But it's the only one that looks or has a resemblance to a city rake in my pick set. So, in, out, right? In, out. In. Nothing. So, we're going to go lower, a little bit of tension, out, just slight tension, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, here. Let me see if I could focus just right here. and try to do it right here for you. I'll put the tension right here instead up here so you can see it. So, no tension, right? Little bit of tension and out. A little bit of tension and there's nothing. More tension. A lot of tension. No tension. No tension. Little bit of tension. Let's just do fucking a lot of tension. Ugh, I can't shove it in there. There's too much tension. So let's come in here with a single little hook pick deal. Nope, nothing, man. I don't know.